What's up, guys? This is Lados K Art, and today we'll be talking about the theoretical part of art. Normal, gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwa tẹ́ ń pé a kọ́ra wa ní drawing. Àwọn theory part yẹn kò kí n really jọ wá lójú. Why? Because we think it doesn't matter, and it matters a lot. Because I've been drawing before school, and I decided to study art and design, and I'm into portraiture and stuff like that. But getting into theory part made me just to get exposed to things that I'm not even exposed to. I'm not going to go deep because I don't have anything to read. But let's just dive into perspective. You understand? Now let's go into let's say we want to draw a house or an house, and a house, a house. A fẹ́ ya ilé. Now, the closer like ibi tá súnmọ́ níbi ilé yẹn, ó máa tóbi. Ó ti yé. Èyí tó jìnnà sí wa, ó máa ṣe kíni, ó máa kéré. That's what we call perspective. The closer the object, the bigger it is, and the farther the object, the smaller it is. Now, our self-taught artist tá mọ̀ nǹkankan nípa perspective, ó máa ń rú wa lójú gan. Àfẹ́ni tó bá ti mọ̀. Because when I was just a self-taught artist, kò kí ń jọ wá lójú, ó dẹ̀ yẹ kó máa jọ wá lójú. Because ó máa ń hard fún mi o. I don't know about you guys because everybody is different. But ó máa ń hard fún mi láti ya nǹkan. Like, the line will just be straight. So how do you want to draw a straight line in a book? Far and near. Ó máa ń le gan. That's where perspective come in. Now let's leave perspective and go into emphasis. Now emphasis is basically on focal point. That means nǹkan tó fẹ́ concentrate lé lórí. Now ẹ jẹ́ ká imagine pé a fẹ́ ya èmi báyìí àti background yìí. Now I will be the main focus that I want to focus on. That is emphasis. Bóyá ojú mi gangan ló fẹ́ focus lé lórí. Ojú yẹn ló máa farabalẹ̀, máa fi detailing sí, ó máa fi irùngbọ̀n mi sí, ó máa fi moustache mi sí, gbogbo lines tó wà lórí ètè mi yìí ó máa fi sí. Kíní ìṣínú tó mú mi lẹ́nu yìí ó máa fi sí. Ó ti yé. But background yẹn o lè má lọ far, kódà o lè má shade ẹ̀. But tó bá ti shade ẹ̀ mi, ó ti yé báyẹn. That's emphasis. Ká lọ sí colour. Now, in my own belief, color is mainly black and white. Ṣé gbogbo yellow, green, orange yẹn is just an illusion. Like the amount of lights that come into your eyes will give you an illusion of color. But you see that black and white, they are very natural. Very, very natural. Now, let's just leave all those parts for an instance. When you want to make a professional drawing, this is what we call use of space. That is, the paper you are using, there must be an amount the object you are drawing takes out of the paper. O ò lè wá máa lo A4 paper kó wá. Data mi ti fẹ́ tán, but ẹ má worry. Just comment below the kind of theories you want me to explain and I'll put it into practice. Kẹ́ jẹ́ kí n mọ̀. Peace out. Lados K Art.